Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a late night clean with me. Lately I have found myself not having as much time during the day to get some things done, so I have been doing it at night. And on this particular night, I went past midnight. I try not to do that, but sometimes it happens and I just have to roll with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is light some candles because that sets the tone for me, and then I'm going to move on to getting some laundry started. I have a handful of pillowcases that I want to wash from this day bed, but the first thing I'm doing before I throw them in is I am vacuuming off the dog hair from 2 of these pillows. I'm not getting them perfect, but I'm just getting what I can to minimize the amount of hair that goes in the washing machine, and then I will go ahead and get those started.
Looking up at a tree, I remember how it started. I was lost in a dream when the fire in my heart said an open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon.
Next I'm going to do some quick dusting, and then I actually had to take a break for dinner, and then after dinner the pillowcases will be dry, so then I can take them out of the dryer and put them back on the pillows.
This year I'm going to start a new chapter. Ignore the tears and only write down the laughter. An open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon. I glide across the ground and over the ocean, and you can't force me down as long as I'm open, like a rose that already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon.
It's in the system, it's in our blood. You cannot keep me from looking for love. Don't wanna hide it, ain't gonna lie. I'm on the run till the day that
moving on, I am taking the dry clothes off the drying rack and putting them away. And as you can see, I still have some Christmas decorations up. Whenever I did this video, it was before the new year, and it took me longer than I anticipated to get this uploaded. By the time you're watching this, it is well past the new year, and I will be taking them down in the next video.
You know the feeling, well, join the club. Just keep on running, don't you ever give up. All we are is delicate people. Handle me with compassion and care. Yes, we all are delicate people. Don't wanna hide it, ain't gonna lie. I'm on the run till the day that I die.
So now I'm moving on to vacuuming. I'm gonna vacuum all the area rugs in the main part of the house, and then I'm gonna move on to the dishes.
Everybody wants some love and then affection. All we are is delicate people. Everybody needs love and affection. Yes, we all are delicate people. Everybody wants some love and then affection. All we are is delicate people. Handle me with compassion and care. Yes, we all are delicate people. Whoa, yes, we all are delicate people. Whoa, yes, we all are delicate people.
I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else.
I had to step away again from the cleaning to get some things done, but I wanted to make sure I finished the dishes before I wrapped up for the night, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm just unloading and reloading the dishwasher, and then whatever dishes are left over in the sink, I'm gonna hand wash them.
Never thought I'd see your face. I really wanted to escape, but it was just too late. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. We skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like
well, that's a start. But watchers don't do, and doers don't watch. So let's get to it, let's get it done. You step it up a notch. We can do it, we can get it done. 'Cause we're doers, and doers don't watch.
Thanks so much for watching this late night quick clean with me. I hope you got some motivation from it, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.
Watchers don't do, and doers don't